Welcome back to the AutoVex. Step into the world of raw power, timeless design, and modern engineering with the 2026 Shelby Cobra Restomod, a machine that perfectly blends classic American muscle heritage with cutting-edge performance technology, creating a driving experience that feels both nostalgic and futuristic at the same time. From the very first glance, this car commands attention with its low-slung stance, wide fenders, aggressive front grille, and signature round LED headlights that pay homage to the legendary Cobra of the past while integrating modern lighting technology for enhanced visibility and style. And as you walk around it, the sculpted bodywork, carbon fiber, accents, and aerodynamic enhancements reveal that this is not just a showpiece, but a high-performance beast, engineered for speed and precision. Under the hood, the 2026 Cobra Restomod is expected to house a supercharged V8 engine, producing well over 700 horsepower, delivering explosive acceleration that can push the car from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 3.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest, retro-inspired sports cars on the road today, while the advanced suspension system, lightweight chassis, and performance-tuned handling ensure that every corner is taken with confidence and control, giving drivers the thrill of a race car combined with the comfort of a modern sports coupe. Inside the cabin, the transformation from classic to contemporary becomes even more evident, where premium leather seats, digital instrument clusters, and a customizable infotainment system provide a luxurious yet driver-focused environment, blending analog charm with digital convenience. And features like wireless connectivity, advanced driver assistance systems, and high-end audio elevate the driving experience to meet modern expectations without losing the soul of the original Cobra. What truly sets this car apart is its unique selling proposition, the perfect fusion of heritage and innovation. Because while many modern sports cars focus purely on technology, and classic cars rely solely on nostalgia, the 2026 Shelby Cobra Restomod bridges that gap by offering both, allowing enthusiasts to enjoy the iconic design and roaring engine sound of a vintage muscle car while benefiting from modern reliability, safety, and performance enhancements, making it not just a car but a statement piece for collectors and performance lovers alike. Additionally, customization plays a major role in this vehicle's appeal, as buyers can personalize everything from paint finishes and interior materials to performance upgrades and wheel designs, ensuring that each Cobra Restomod is truly one, reflecting the personality and taste of its owner. On the road, the driving experience is nothing short of exhilarating, with the deep growl of the V8 engine, razor-sharp steering response, and precise throttle control creating a connection between driver and machine that is increasingly rare in today's digital automotive world. And whether cruising through city streets or pushing limits on an open highway, the car delivers a sense of freedom and excitement that few vehicles can match. In conclusion, the 2026 Shelby Cobra Restomod is more than just a car, it's a celebration of automotive history reimagined for the future, combining iconic design, extreme performance, and modern luxury into a single package that appeals to both classic car enthusiasts and new generation drivers, making it a standout choice in the world of high-performance vehicles and a true masterpiece that keeps the spirit of the original Cobra alive while pushing boundaries into a new era of automotive excellence. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe.